Hello, in this video we will take you through the steps of printing your Etsy files. Let's get started. After downloading and editing your digital files from Tumbalina Studio, you are ready to print your PDF. The first thing you will have to decide is if you are going to print your documents professionally or from home. Here are some things to consider. We recommend considering the quality of your home printer, the quantity that you need to print, and if the design is heavily saturated with color and will use a lot of ink. For example, chalkboard background designs. Check the maximum paper thickness that your printer can handle. If you are unsure, Google your printer model and read the printer manual. Make sure to test out your printer and cutting skills. Download a sample PDF file to your desktop and print one copy. Make sure your printer is set at its highest quality setting and to print same size rather than scale 2. This is very important. You must print at 100%. Printing at a copy shop is also very affordable. Look at all the cardstock choices they offer and always test print a sample on the paper of your choice. This way, you can see how the color looks printed and how your final product will look. We recommend either FedEx Office or Staples. We have tested our files at both places and both offer competitive printing services, and the color and quality looks great. Feel free to print as many copies as you would like. Once your design is printed, share with friends and family and tag #Tumbalina Studio. We'd love to see the finished product. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.